Here in today's video we're going to review this compressed air duster, and it comes with all of these accessories. Here is the cable that you will be using to charge it, and this is the extension. This is a little brush. This is like the one that you will be using for smaller things, and this is a bigger one. Okay, so it comes very complete, and it comes with this box, which is really nice to have, like this case to put it on and save it for whenever you're gonna need it. Okay, so this is how it comes. It comes with the air duster, and it is really a nice size, very compact, and this is the USB port, and this is the screw so you can turn it on and off. Here it is, how it sounds. And this is the strongest function. And let's start seeing how it works. This is the cable USB to USB-C, and then you will be needing the power brick to connect it to the power outlet, or if you have a USB connector will be great as well. Okay, so let's see how this works. This is a computer that we're fixing, so let's just clean it a little bit with our air duster right here. And you can see how the dirt and the dust is actually going away. Some of the dust might stay, like, kind of it depends on the device that you're using, but sometimes the dust will stick to the devices, so in these cases it will be different, the way that you will clean it. Here is a keyboard that you can see that also we are just using our compressor, and this is to keep your devices clean and your working tools clean as well. Okay, and this will avoid that any of the keys stop functioning correctly. You can also use this little brush, and these will help also to clean some of the dirt and dust that it's a stick. Here is like a vacuum that you can also use. So it is really nice because you can use both functionalities, vacuum and compressed air duster. Really nice, just to keep clean everything in your space, your working space.